What's up guys, Cinema Designer here and bringing you a new tutorial on cinema. And on this tutorial I'm going to show you a little more advanced thing on cinema. We're going to work with sound, cloners and splines on this tutorial. So I'm going to give you a little show off of what we'll be making. So we're going to make tones and music, going to sound. I'm not going to let you hear the sound now because it will be copyrighted. Yeah. So that's all of what we're going to be making. So just close this. No. And like always, just change the render settings to 1280. 720 and let's go to QuickTime Movie or AVI. I don't know what you use. Guess you can use whatever you want to. And options 6 and 2 that will change the render time. So the first thing you want to do is just add a cube or a cylinder or cone or whatever. You can use whatever you want. I think I'm going to try a sphere. I'm not sure if this works. No, I don't think. Yeah, let's just go with cylinder. So just make it a little smaller, pretty small, like that, and just quick make them floor. Don't matter size, and we're gonna add a spline in, so you can choose whatever you want of this. I'm not sure of helix, use star, four-side, cycloids, no, maybe that, cogwheel, flower, rectangle, go rectangle, or you can choose you can make your own with freehand and choose, yeah. But the important thing is to, when you choosing a spline, you just click on it and we see plane. Gotta choose this one so it's on the floor. Otherwise the notive thing will be on the wall and that will look pretty weird. So after you've done that, you just go to move graph, effector and spline. Click the spline like that. Hold and drag the spline that you wanted. Hold it and drag to this spline, and there you go. And now we'll go to move graph again and cloner and drag the cylinder so the cylinder is a shape of cloner, and go to cloner, effectors, drag the spline into the effector so it like that, and then just click cloner again and object, and here you can choose how many of the cylinders that you want. I on my own prefer to go with the highest, maybe even more. You can choose whatever you want. I'm going to go with 200 this time. I think it looks better. Oh shit. And that's weird. Yeah, so you can go with whatever you want. And now, when you're done that, you will open move graph, effector, and sound. And here's where the important part comes. So you will click this sound file, this one, and you will choose which sound you want. And it's something about that it have to be like 8-bit or 16-bit or something like that, but I'm just gonna go with this one. And you just open cloner again, effector, drag the sound into the effector, and yeah, but the how you say it, tricky? No, I don't know. But if you play it, you will just see that the whole thing like bounces or thing, and you don't want that. So you have to go to sound again, this apply mode, from alt to step, pyramid, take off position, scale, 4, 4, 4, so that it will move more, and rotation, no, not rotation. I know it fall off is sound, but yeah. So when you play it, you'll see. Oh, that looks pretty weird, but still pretty awesome. So what we can take some, maybe 0, 0. How that looks? Yeah, that looks pretty much better. That looks pretty awesome. Nice. Maybe add some color to the, add some glow, some reflection, 50, color, gradient, red, dark red, reflection, maybe grayish, not specular, 40, that, maybe like that, maybe shader, let's really milky, and maybe just add some white. Here comes that really cool part. Like if you want to make a tutorial, intro, and you have to wait. I'm going to just rectangle, drag this part up like that, and this one, like, how do you say it? You can make a really cool like part of the video with this one. Like if you wanted to like play and maybe take this down to, let's go with this, and then you can go up like this and it will like just blow the whole place up with the light. That can be pretty cool. So if I'm just going to go up like this, and you can see that just the nodey thingy looks pretty awesome. So you can make pretty cool things with this. Like you can do it on texts like splines too, and it can look really awesome. But maybe I take that another time. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video or tutorial, and I'll see you in the next tutorial of what I'm making. Blah, listen up like usual, and see you.